Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll be introducing you to its next wonderful airdrop that I came across. Alright, so this airdrop is called Buzzit.Ton, and this was one of the airdrops that Pause gave us a tax before they left Telegram, before they migrated to this one, before they rounded up basically. So why is this airdrop a little different? It says what is the first mini airdrop where you vote on cryptocurrency, on crypto, and buzzworthy topics and all things trending. So yeah, so what will you basically do? Let's open the app. What you basically do now is what you there are options where you can vote. So I've voted a few times. I voted on this yesterday. Okay, yes, I got this correctly. All right, now this one right here says what? Will Victor's ex post about Buzzit receive at least 500 reposts before February 22? So you can choose. You make a choice. If you think yes, it's going to happen, you pick yes and then use a ticket. All right. And if you think it's no, you pick it and you also use a ticket. So either ways, once you make your choice, you're locked in until the end of the campaign. Alright, so basically up here you have what? Tickets, number of tickets. So if I have 6 tickets that I have not used, you can also come down to daily tax. Alright, so there's one-time tax. If you have Telegram Premium, you confirm, you get Buzzit, invite 3 friends, invite 10 friends, and then you follow their Buzzit account. I've done that. And then there is the daily tax. So daily buzz, yeah, you just make any choice on the events card. Okay, I have not made any, so let's go back to the main menu, make any choice. Okay, I like this. Will Ton outperform Solana in the next 24 hours? Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. No, stick with no, so I tap no, confirm. Yes, so for every choice you make, you receive what? Buzz points. Alright, now let's go back to the tax. So go back to daily, then daily buzz, make any choice. We've done that, so we earn daily collection, collect payers from any event card, yes, which we've done that, we earn, and then still deposit on Telegram. As soon as you've joined the Telegram group, just click on confirm and you earn. So okay, there's also the leaderboard, and there is also what your invites to show the number of people you've invited down to the app. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you'd like to join this project, I'll drop the link down in the comment section below, down in the description. And if you've got any question, please do well to ask your questions. And if you've not already, please like this video, subscribe, and give it a share with your friends. And I'll see you in subsequent videos.